Hi guys, this is Kin TV once again, and today is December 13, 2022. The most awaited day para sa aking anak. Ayan, si Ann Louise. Finally, magma-march na siya sa kanyang gumraduate siya noong 2020. Ngayon lang siya magma-march kasi dahil sa pandemic. So, ayan, gusto ko pong ipakita sa inyo kasi excited siya na mag-march, of course, kasi once in a lifetime lang naman to. So, see you later po. Just keep on watching. Ayan po yung anak ko. Naka-makeup. Siya lang ang nag-makeup niyan. So, keep on watching, guys. Ayan, nagsusuot na siya ng kanyang toga. Anak, iyan mo na yan. Sobrang traffic dito sa loob ng school sa De La Salle University, Dasmariñas. Wala nang magpang-parking yan. Go. Ang doon, anak. Anak, mauna ka. So later ulit.
La Salle has 6 emergency exits. 2 emergency exits
Suot mo na, anak.
on both sides of the stage. 4 are through the main entrance. Please exit immediately in front. Security and event personnel will guide you towards the nearest exit.
Yung hair mo, ganun mo kaya sa tenga mo. Masyadong nakaano.
La Salle parking area. Re-enter only when authorized to do so.
Kano daw yan?
In case of an earthquake, immediately
100 daw, T.
and hold. Evacuate only once the ground stops shaking. In case of a fire, evacuate through the nearest exit. For medical emergencies and other concerns, our medical, security, and event personnel will be there to assist you. Lastly, don't forget to sit back, relax, and enjoy your stay. Please be courteous and considerate, especially to our fellow guests, senior citizens, pregnant women, and persons with disabilities. In case of evacuation, Ugnayan La Salle has 6 emergency exits. 2 emergency exits are located at both sides of the stage. 4 are through the main entrance. Please exit immediately and calmly. Security and event personnel will guide you towards the nearest exit. Our evacuation assembly areas will be the University Track Oval and the Ugnayan La Salle parking area. Re-enter only when authorized to do so. In case of an earthquake, immediately drop, cover, and hold.
The public health standard of the university. One of these is the implementation of protocol on the wearing of face masks inside the campus. In compliance with Executive Order Number 7, Series of 2022, or allowing the voluntary wearing of face masks in indoor and outdoor settings. Our university implements falls under two categories: the mandatory wearing of face mask and the voluntary wearing of face mask. Under the mandatory wearing of face masks, the salients and guests are required to wear face masks specifically in places such as clinic,
Four are to the main entrance. Please exit immediately and calmly. Security and event personnel will guide you towards the nearest exit. Our evacuation assembly areas will be the University Track Oval and the Nayang Lasal parking area. Re-enter only when authorized to do so. In case of an earthquake, immediately drop, cover, and hold. Evacuate only once the ground stops shaking. In case of a fire, evacuate.
grandparents and professors. Today is one of the greatest day, and today we celebrate our young generation. First of all, congratulations to all of you. You should be very, very proud of yourselves for accomplishing this goal. Well done. I know you must all be excited to get your hands on your diplomas and run into the world. To the families of those graduating and earning certifications, congratulations to you, and you should know that your support through this process made an enormous impact. I'm sure you're very proud of your graduates as they close this portion of their lives and prepare for the next steps into a new career. Graduation is one of those steps in life that defines a coming of age. The ending of one era of life as a student or the one being shown the ropes and moving on to a new stage in which you are a leader, a doer, an achiever in the wider world. I'm sure many of you have firm plans and have a good idea of what's coming next. Well, the coming times will be exciting. They will be all dependent on you and your determination. Naalala ko pa po, it's been 23 years since I graduated from this university in this same place, Dayan Lasal. And things have changed just a bit since then. It was 1999. The popular shows were Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Friends, and dun po sa mga mahilig sa K-drama, meron na din pong F4 during that time. And in local TV, meron naman po kaming Tabing Ilog, Genie, at sa mga kabatch ko po dyan, ang Tarajing Potpot. The top movies were Star Wars Episode 1 and The Matrix, and the radio was playing Living La Vida Loca and Mambo No. 5. I had big plans for myself. I was a graduate of this prestigious university, and gusto ko to drive a Corvette, to be a millionaire in 5 years, travel the world in my yacht, and live in a big house. But you see, I planned to take it easy, not work too hard, and enjoy life. And here, I find myself at a graduation once again, but 23 years later. My life didn't turn out quite the way I planned. I've been married for 15 years. I have 2 kids. I don't drive, and I'm far from a millionaire. Instead of traveling the world, I spend my vacations in the hotels where I work with my kids. And I don't have my own yacht. I just tried one riding in Manila Bay. And though life didn't turn out the way it would be, I don't regret a bit of it. I haven't failed. I've adopted, found what makes me happy and fulfills me, and so will you. Life doesn't usually follow the plans you lay out for yourself. You will experience the highs and lows of life, the difficult and the easy, and unfortunately, there may be sometimes be times of too many difficulties and not just enough smooth sailing. Your true success will be defined by you, how you handle of both of these in times. Not everyone here knows my family was struck by COVID last year, which could have broken us down. I lost my husband, but I persisted. And it was also De La Salle University Medical Center who helped us went through this difficult process. As you graduate and take on challenges, chances are you won't be making $1 million at your first job. In fact, you might not get the first or second or third job you interview for. Naalala ko yung hirap bago ko naabot kung nasaan ako ngayon. Nanghihiram ng pamasahe kapag may interview at naghahanap ng trabaho. Kahit babae, marunong sumabit sa jeep. Nagsimula sa pinakamababang posisyon sa human resources at sinikap lahat upang maabot ang tagumpay. Who would have thought that I would be able to handle and lead 12 hotels around the country? We will always have our person to inspire us to be better. And as for me, I have our Lord Almighty, my parents, my dear husband, and my loving kids who continue to be my source of strength and inspiration. 3 Ds ang baon ko na ipababaon ko rin sa inyong lahat. Ang first D, dream. Importante may pangarap ka. Ang pangalawang D, drive. Dapat may energy. And lastly, you have the D, determination. Determination to work harder than most and make sure things get done. You may never become a CEO of a Fortune 500 company in your life, but that's okay. the important thing is you have already taken the initial steps needed to build a more promising future. Every class you've taken, every lab, every essay written, and every certification you've earned, they have all been preparing you to adapt to change and challenges. Especially 7 a.m. and Saturday classes. I know those were tough. But as you know, it's a tough world out there.
Francis Gabriel Herbacio, Jade Alexis Lawson, Golden Scroll Award. Cedric Yuri Lamay. Justin Andre Duisto. Andrea Nicole Maestrado. John Era Marie Marasiga. Princess Nicole Minaldo. Christian Dior Navarro. Shaira Resurrection. Kathleen Flor Valerio. Janela Maris Vera. Jerome Paulo Cipriano. Dan Jason Eguia. Alexander Ivan Eugenio. Elidane Mark Figueroa. Celine France, Christine Joy Lepite, Wedrich Maputay, Teresa May Inoto. Shane Jeffrey, John Alfred Sumpay. Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Development Management.